Think about this for a second. What if I told you that lateral raises aren't building your shoulders? They're slowly destroying them? Millions of people do this exercise every week, yet their shoulders never look wider or rounder. And the reason is simple. They're doing it wrong. Today I'm going to show you exactly what almost everyone misses. Let's start with the most common mistakes. The first mistake is using too much weight. If you're swinging the dumbbells, leaning back, or using momentum to lift them, your shoulders aren't doing the work. Lateral raises aren't about power. They're about control. The second mistake is locking out the arms. Straight, stiff arms turn your body into a long lever, forcing stress directly into the shoulder joint instead of the muscle. The third mistake is lifting too high. Once the dumbbells go above shoulder level, the traps take over. That burn in your neck, that's not delt growth, that's compensation. And the most silent mistake of all, shrugging the shoulders. If your shoulders creep up toward your ears, tension leaves the side delts and moves straight into the neck. Now here's the important part. The fix isn't more reps or heavier weight. The fix is positioning, and it starts before you even lift the dumbbells. Set your stance first. Feet about shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. Now brace your core lightly, like someone's about to poke you in the stomach. This is your foundation. Just like a skyscraper, if the base isn't solid, nothing above it stays strong. Next, your shoulders. Here's a simple cue. Long neck. Keep your shoulders down and wide, never shrugged. Now grab the dumbbells, and yes, go lighter than you think. Keep a slight bend in your elbows, like you're holding a big beach ball. Now the movement. Don't think about lifting your hands. Think about driving your elbows out. Imagine your elbows sliding up invisible walls on your sides. Your arms should be slightly in front of your body, not directly out to the side. That small angle lines up perfectly with how the side delts work. Now let's talk tempo. Lift the weight in 2 seconds. Pause briefly at the top, just long enough to feel the muscle working. Then lower the dumbbells in 3 controlled seconds. If the weight drops fast, the results drop with it. Ask yourself this question. Am I controlling the weight, or is the weight controlling me? If you want to take this to the next level, here are a few advanced tweaks. Stop the raise just below shoulder height to keep tension on the delts. Keep your thumbs